Okay, so now we're taking a break from bird feeding for a minute. Tiger's on his yoga mat. We're going to give Tiger some kibble. Some kibble, bud. Tiger gets breakfast too while we're feeding the birds, so it's not just birds. And we're getting the suet. I'm going to put the suet out for the woodpeckers. I'm not sure if I can do this with 2 hands, but I can show you the tree where the woodpecker suet goes. There's my car. Up the hill, away from the squirrel territory at the house. So we go down this path, and here's the tree where I put some soot. I put it in the cracks because if I hang out a cake, so you can see it's a very tall tulip poplar way up there. I have lots of tall tulip poplars. They surround the area. All the way up there. So I put it there, and then there's another tree over there. That one in the distance, and I put some there too. Okay.